Hey everybody, it's Roy from Oracle12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here to do a super quick unboxing video on this cool little gadget that YouTube just sent me. I was recently able to participate in several different trainings and seminars around a new service that Google is offering called YouTube Shopping. YouTube Shopping is a cool new service that connects to several different retailers that are all over the place, and it allows creators like me to be able to link to those retailers so you guys can find those products more easily. You'll primarily see it popping up in the bottom left corner of most videos, but you'll also see it between the description and the video, and they're experimenting with different placement on where to find it. But you'll see those links that will take you to those different retailers where you can order those products. There's tons of different retailers in there. There's everything from Lowe's and Home Depot to Walmart and Best Buy, and the list just keeps growing and growing every day. Now, spoiler alert, I do know what's in this package. I have not opened it yet. It isn't sealed, so you'll have to take my word for it, but I have not opened it yet. But they did tell me what was coming inside the package. So I already know what's in here, but I'm excited to see what it looks like in real life. So opening the package here, we got a cool little YouTube logo. It's supposed to be a light, and I'm not sure. Oh, I see. Okay. So this is going to plug into this and help light up my desk. So plug this in here, pop that in, got a charging cable. I guess there's instructions here. I should probably look at that before I start plugging things in. Okay, I guessed right. Lucky me. It says it has a battery thing here, so you can plug in some AA batteries there if you want, or you can use the charging cable. Plug that in here on the bottom. Give me a second while I plug that in over here. Okay, that's kind of fun. That's just something I'll be having sitting on my desk there here in the near future, but let's actually see if we can plug it in this way. That way, the cord is in the back instead of the front. That's a fun little thing there. It'll be a nice little backdrop in some of my future videos. Nothing super exciting. It's just a fun little way that YouTube is able to say thank you for me participating in these new services and being able to learn more about those, and thank me for being on YouTube. And honestly, it wouldn't be something I'd be doing if it weren't for you guys. Just a huge thank you to all you followers and you subscribers and your supporters over the years. I love doing this stuff. It's a lot of fun. It does get a little bit boring sometimes. I know it can get boring for you guys too. I talk way too much on some of my videos, but I do appreciate you guys. I appreciate you always being here and being around for me. I appreciate you guys engaging with me in the comments and in other areas, and I'm looking forward to doing this for many more years to come. So thank you, YouTube. Thank you, Google, for sending me out this cool little gadget. Thank you for the new services that you're offering to make YouTube better for me and for my viewers. And thank you again to all my viewers for your support. You guys are awesome, and I couldn't do it without you. So if you guys have any questions about the light, if you have any questions about YouTube shopping or anything else under the sun, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.